to the slightly cryptic pathology quiz. So number 1, what is the connection between this fish and this heart valve? Question number 2. Here is a cartoon character. So the first question is, who is this cartoon character? And secondly, what does part of the anatomy of this cartoon character have to do with this tumour? And what is the tumour? Question number 3, here is a stag, and the question is, what is the connection between this stag and this tumour, and what is the tumour? Question number 4, here is a brick wall showing a bit of wear and tear. And what is the connection between the appearance of this brick wall and this skin condition? And what is the skin condition? Question number 5, who is this character, and what is the relationship between this character and this brain tumour, and what is the brain tumour? So the answer to this slightly cryptic pathological quiz will be available next week. So if you want to be notified, just click the subscribe button. So have a good week. See you next week.